जतना खुलुमखा तिनी कैसा belai nangkukmani belai important kaisa saklaimang tini 16 November 2021 chini Council of Minister chini cabinet sing tini achokha cabinet achogui sing kaisa khung important decision sing rakha abo sing kedingma sal dirgo din jomna hintongmani chini puila Tripura hastago amano kaisa history nai sing chini cabinet pass laika tini kaisa chini assistant professor kok borok subject notoi sing 22 ta assistant professor sing diu khlainai 22 news post sing create khlaika abo direct recruitment nai abon bagi sing belai khe chini tongthongma sal kawang ma chini borok sing saimano chini kok borok no tegi chini master degree kawang pass haje tongo tei ben PhD bu tongo sing khnago abon borok bagi belai khena kahamonai sing 22 ta post sing already create khlaika abo assistant professor kok borok subject in all government degree college born beton nai prai 57,700 ni chengui 1,82,400 o sognai abo 7 CPC notui abo khlaijago tei belai important singor kaisa nukha abo through written exam abo written exam nanai by TPSC 85% exam tei 15% kai interview obakle najaknai tei abo relax khaijaka oro jong tei nukha singor tini kuno net ba select set nangya abo one time relaxation khaijaka sing direct recruitment khainai through TPSC in written examination actually exam nai 100 marks ni ara bisingo 85% exam nai written exam tei 15 ni kai by bang nai interview nai obaklai sing oro decision nakha tei sing nukha daga tin age relaxation tin S ni ba heke 40 years maximum nai tei 5% 5 years ni relaxation nai for ST SC tei sing dakha ekon UGC norm hoite sing master degree go sing 55% nangnai phiaba tin ST/SC ni bagai hingkai 50% o hai sing oro decision nakha abangai je borok 50% tongnai tin master degree go boro apply khlaimanai boro written exam ni bagai through TPSC a TPSC go tin TPSC chairman tongnai te TPSC member tongnai te expert tinjona boro expert tongnai boro interview nanai obakle sing already chini cabinet of sing pass laika abo chim blai borok kaham chin mang din kaham sing saimano sing kedugma borsor sing la hintong mani chini kok borok ni kono assistant professor kuri tabo sing mon yuk khlainai abo jotto chini je borok master degree complete khainai kok borok ni subject borok apply khlaimanai tei kobang mang khanaka kabangma chini merit student jabro 50% above manai boro abo apply khlaimanai tei master degree tei je MPhil PhD gnaro aboro boro sujog manai abong ang khakao jotto tinti basharo bisiba je kokboro speaking community boro moi belakhena sujog abo jeng mankha abo ang khakao tini jotto tini scholar rok tini master degree holder rok abo apply khlaimana pass laika immediately sing instruction donai omo through higher education borok khlainai tin higher education madhyame omo khaijaknai sing tokon cabinet pass laika ang khagao 1-2 mas bisingo no borok abo advertisement khlainai